our personality, our habits, our way of life, our way of actions is caused by previous lives, previous feelings, and what we built up over the days since we were born. As we all know, every action has a reaction, and 7 lives you carry the burden or the blessings of your actions, and they transform into your current life. And the only way in which you can turn away from that reaction, from the 7 lives and from your birth, is by 1, looking forward, and secondly, with the blessings of Guruji. There's no other way. So you are in a cycle in the 7 lives, and to come out of that cycle, you need someone to pull you off or pull you out of that cycle. The only person that can do that is Guruji. So that person or people need to go to Guruji, bow their head and give themselves from their heart. Once they can do that, then these things will begin to change. You will not be affected by the 7 lives. You will not be affected by or what went on in your from birth to present. That is the only way. As we know, your personality, your needs, wants, desires, all the rest of it are caused by or start from birth. What we don't realize is that 7 lives previously also affects. So we should take that into consideration.